Welcome to Go Get It. Today we are going to discuss one of the important graph traversal technique, that is depth first search. To proceed further, one must know the stack data structures and its relevant operations, that is push and pop. On the right hand side you can see an empty stack is placed, which is used for keeping track of all the visited nodes. To start with, we have node A. We'll push it to stack and we'll add it to the output sequence and we'll mark it as visited. Now according to depth first search technique, we'll check the top of the stack symbol. We have A here and we'll check all the adjacent unvisited nodes of A. We have B and S. Following the alphabetical order, we'll push B onto the top of the stack and we'll add it to the output sequence and mark it as visited. Now B being at the top of the stack and A as only adjacent visited node, there is no other go. So we'll pop up from the stack B. Now we have A at the top of the stack and S as the adjacent unvisited node. So we'll push S to the top of the stack and we'll add it to the sequence. Mark it as visited. Now S at the top of the stack and C and G are the two adjacent unvisited vertices. Alphabetically we'll push C on the top of the stack and add it to the sequence. Mark it as visited. C has D, E and F as adjacent unvisited nodes. So alphabetically we'll push D onto the top of the stack and add it to the sequence and mark it as visited. D being at the top of the stack with C as the only adjacent but visited node, so there is no other go. We'll pop it up from the stack. Now we have C at the top of the stack and E and F as the adjacent elements of C. So we'll push E alphabetically first and add it to the sequence and mark it as visited. E has H as the adjacent element which is unvisited. We'll push it to the top of the stack and we'll add it to the sequence. Mark it as visited. H has G, so we'll push it to the top of the stack, add it to the sequence, mark it as visited. And at last we have F. We'll push it to top of the stack and add it to the sequence, marking it as visited. Now F as the top symbol of the stack and F has both C and G as visited nodes and adjacent nodes, so we'll pop it off. Similar is the case with G, we'll pop it off. Similar is the case with H, E and C. So we'll pop H, E and consecutively C. Same is the case with A, and we have reached last symbol of the stack and that is A. So we'll pop it off and that's it. Stack is empty. This operation will signal the algorithm to stop. And this is how depth first search algorithm works. You can see the output sequence produced below. To know about breadth first search, please find below the link. Thank you.